You're welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tessie's Kitchen. So today I'm going to be making tastelicious meat pie using microwave. We're not using oven, we're going to use microwave. We're not using gas or we're just going to use microwave. So here are my ingredients. I'm doing just small quantity of flour. This is all-purpose flour. I have my flour here, so I'm going to use baking powder. This is my baking powder. This is my butter. This is my carrots, my eggs, my already peeled Irish potatoes. That is my teriyaki seasoning. Pepper is optional. You can put more, you can put small. This is my curry powder. This is my thyme. Then I have my minced here. So just keep watching while I give you tastelicious, very tastelicious meat pie using microwave. So I'm going to mix my flour now. I'm going to wash my hands like very clean. My hands are clean now. Well clean. I'm draining it. So this is my baking powder. I already removed this thing. Oh, and that is what I'm supposed to use to open this stuff. But don't hold my hand. Mm-hmm. So my baking powder. This is salt. Salt. So I'm going to add my butter. Allow me to enjoy myself. 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 My hands are already clean, so I'm going to mix my hand. Allow me to enjoy myself. 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 Allow me to enjoy. So instead of sugar, a little sugar, I'm using a very little honey. It's optional anyway, so I'm using honey. I used honey. So I'm going to pour my egg. So here we have the flour, baking powder, a little salt, honey or sugar. I'm going to mix with my egg now. I'm mixing egg now. I'm going to keep mixing until it got. So I'm going to add milk. You can use liquid, you can use powdered one. So I actually use powdered milk. So I added small water. So I'm going to mix my milk with it until it's well mixed. You can see I've mixed it like it's well mixed. It's well mixed. So I'm going to prepare my sauce now. So I'm just going to dice my Irish potato and carrots now, so I can prepare the sauce. So I'm done with all the stuff I'm trying to prepare. So I'm going to make the sauce now. So
No, but I don't see you. I don't see you.
your frying pan, you can use
No.
oil. I'm preparing very small quantity. So I'm going to use my frying pan. So this is my frying pan.
What's that one? No.
Using olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. I prefer olive oil. Just add
How?
little.
Now I see you. Hi. Hello, Nigeria. How is but
Oh, let me slice my onion.
very good. Yes, Nigeria. How is Lisbon?
My onion is hot.
Why?
I'm going to add my onion.
Ooh. Okay, don't worry. More channels coming up.
Going good so far, so good. Maybe tomorrow when I'm in the store, I can show you some of my outfit, my collection. In my pepper. Yeah.
Yes, I will. Very soon. I'm working on it by next week.
I'm adding my meat
I
now.
actually I was making another blue bread until I had an accident while I was doing exercise. So I couldn't continue working. But next week I will do food. I have to use this for my waist, for my back. My waist, I was trying to do some waist lifting and I hurt my back. So I have to use this.
I'm going to add my
Yes, I have to use this to support my waist. This is lumbar belt, lumbar belt on my waist. Yeah, I feel
this
good.
is off.
Good. not completely. I'm sure that I consume a lot of food. Yes.
I'm going to add my Irish potato. On my curry.
How about your massage business, your massage, and also your life business?
Add a little thyme. Very little. Little.
That's it.
I'm going to add a little water. Little water. Little. Little water. So I'm going to cover it like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm going to add my carrots now. I'll stir.
Yeah.
Cover like 1 minute. So my sauce is ready. Yummy.
No.
So I'm going to, so you can see my mist. I need egg. I don't have a meat pie cutter, so I'm going to use this. So I'm going to the shape.
Yes.
So I have my egg here. I'm just going to use it so it will the shape
Okay.
to stick together.
Hi. Fine, thank you. How are you? How is how is Maria? Fine. Okay. Okay. So you said my regards to her. Tell Maria Angela I said great gracias.
See, yeah, it's like as if it's meat. Yep.
Me too. I like
I'm
your
going to use
hair.
this to flatten it
Your hair is beautiful.
to get flat.
Bad.
I don't have meat pie cut, so I'm going to use my plate, this bowl now, this little plate now, to just get my round shape. My round shape. I'm going to add my sauce. This is very small. Then I'll cover it. This is small, sharp. So I'm going to use the egg. I'm going to use the brush. I don't have brush, so I'm going to use this. I'm using this. Sorry. I'm going to add it so it to seal very well. Don't mind the shape. Oh. So I already have one. Where is this one? I know nice shapes. I have one here. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to place it inside the microwave. I'm going to put it inside the microwave and set it like maybe let's say 30 to 40 minutes. Yeah, so as you can see, it's in the microwave. I set it to 25. After the 20, I'm going to set it to 25 again. So I'm using about, yeah, is it 25 or 30? 25, 25 minutes. So we're using 25 minutes times 2. So that's 15 minutes. So it will come out very well. You can see. Yeah. Thanks for watching.